Think you're cooking your vegetables right? Well, think again. You could be stripping away their health benefits without even knowing it. Today, we are diving into 10 common mistakes people make when cooking veggies and how you can avoid them to keep all that goodness intact. Mistake number 1: boiling away the nutrients. Boiling vegetables is a go-to method, but it can be a major nutrient killer. Boiling in too much water for too long can leach out essential vitamins like C and B. The vibrant color of water after boiling? That's your nutrients going down the drain. Try steaming instead. Steaming uses less water and keeps those nutrients locked in. Simply place your veggies in a steamer basket over simmering water, cover and cook until tender. It's a simple switch that makes a big difference. Mistake number 2: overcooking the greens. Overcooking your greens? You are not alone. Cooking vegetables like broccoli, spinach, and kale for too long can cause them to lose their texture, flavor, and nutrients. Keep your greens vibrant and nutrient packed by cooking them just until tender crisp, usually 2 to 3 minutes. Blanching is a great method. Boil the veggies briefly, then plunge them into ice water to stop the cooking and preserve their nutrients. Mistake number 3: frying frenzy. Fried vegetables might be delicious, but they come at a cost. High temperature and oil can destroy heat-sensitive nutrients and add unhealthy fats. Instead, opt for a quick stir-fry with minimum oil. Use healthy oils like olive or avocado oil and cook over medium-high heat for a few minutes. This way, you will keep the veggies' natural crunch, color, and nutrients. Mistake number 4: cutting veggies too early. Prepping vegetables ahead of time is convenient, but cutting them too early can expose them to air and light, which degrade vitamins like C and folate. To preserve their nutritional value, chop your veggies just before cooking. If you must prep in advance, store them in an airtight container in the fridge. Mistake number 5: skipping the skin. Peeling your vegetables? You could be peeling away valuable fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants. Many nutrients are concentrated in or just under the skin. For example, potato skins contain potassium, iron, and vitamin C, while the skin of carrots and cucumbers is rich in fiber and antioxidants. Peeling vegetables can lead to a significant loss of these beneficial nutrients. While some vegetables such as squash or tough skin produce may require peeling due to their thick or inedible skins, many others are best enjoyed with the skin intact. Just be sure to wash the vegetables thoroughly to remove any dirt, pesticide, or residues. Give your veggies a good scrub and cook them with the skin on whenever possible. It is an easy way to boost your fiber and nutrient intake. Mistake number 6: cooking wet vegetables. Cooking vegetables when they are wet isn't ideal for several reasons. When vegetables are wet, the water on their surface can cause them to steam rather than sear. This prevents them from achieving the desired crispy texture and caramelization that enhances flavor. When water evaporates, it can also pull some of the flavor compounds with it, resulting in a less intense taste. Moreover, the water droplets rapidly vaporize upon contact with hot oil, causing oil to splatter. To avoid these issues, it's best to dry vegetables thoroughly before cooking them, especially if you're sauteing, roasting, or grilling. You can do this by patting them dry with a clean kitchen towel or using a salad spinner for leafy vegetables. Mistake number 7: not adding healthy fats. Did you know some vitamins in vegetables need fat to be absorbed? Vitamin A, D, E, and K are fat soluble, meaning they require little fat to be fully absorbed by your body. Don't skip the healthy fats. Add a drizzle of olive oil, a slice of avocado, or some nuts to your veggies. It enhances the flavor and helps your body absorb all the nutrients. Mistake number 8: using too much salt. Salt can enhance flavor, but too much can overshadow the natural taste of vegetables and contribute to health issues like high blood pressure. Try using just a pinch of salt or replace it with herbs, spices, or a squeeze of lemon for flavor. This way, you can enhance the taste without compromising your health. Mistake number 9: cooking without a lid. Cooking vegetables without a lid can cause nutrient loss as steam escapes, taking water-soluble vitamins with it. Cover your pot while cooking. This traps the steam and helps preserve the vitamins and minerals in your vegetables, making them more nutritious. Mistake number 10. Roasting at low temperature. Roasting vegetables at too low a temperature can lead to unsatisfactory results, such as soggy or unevenly cooked veggies without the desired caramelization and crispiness. Vegetables generally roast best at a temperature between 400 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Ensure all vegetables are cut to similar sizes to promote even cooking. Smaller pieces will roast faster and become crispier, while larger pieces may need more time to cook through. Spread the vegetables out in a single layer on the baking sheet, leaving space between each piece. Overcrowding can cause the vegetables to steam rather than roast, leading to a lack of browning and crispiness. Cooking your vegetables the right way is key to keeping all those health benefits intact. So next time you are in the kitchen, remember these tips and make the most out of your veggies. Your body will thank you. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more food facts and tips. See you in the next one. Bye.